What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. It's all about cheat meals, and I set myself a little experiment. I wanted to see if I could go out there and have cheat meals but not overstep the 1,000 calorie mark. So in this video, obviously I can only go to the restaurants which have the calories available online or on their menu. So I'm a little bit restricted with the places which I can go to, but these are the ones I selected, and we're going to start off with Yo Sushi.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was pretty awkward. But here we are, Yo Sushi. It's got all the calories of every single thing on the menu, which is ideal. What I did before I came here, sat at home, I just planned out what I was going to eat, so it saved me time from being a bit of a weirdo sat here at the restaurant. So what I ended up going for was edamame beans, 134 calories, the ginza roll, 215, dragon roll, 212, crunchy California roll, 294, spiced chicken katsu roll, 147, which brings it to a grand total of 1,002 calories. Right, so we're out here, Cheesecake Factory. I'm not gonna lie, I'd say about 80% of the menu is definitely over 1,000 calories. However, they have a Skinnylicious menu, so today I've gone for the grilled turkey burger, Skinnylicious, and the soft chicken tacos. Turkey burger, 500 calories, soft tacos, 510. So that's a grand total of 1,010 calories, not bad. Plus, Diet Coke as well. It's bottomless, you can keep getting loads of it. Good tip to stay full is have a full glass of this before you even start, and that'll kill your appetite a little bit. By the time I've had this, I'll be good. So we're out here in Nandos, Dubai's version of Nandos. It's good, it's not quite as good as the UK version, but anyway, I've gone for peri peri chips and a chicken wrap of some sort. Now, looking on the website, the chips go up to 373 calories and the wrap is 560, which brings me to a total of 933. So I'm under, but there wasn't really anything else I could add to the menu to keep me under that 1,000 calories, but you know, it's alright. It doesn't look like a huge amount, but still under 1,000 calories. It'll do. Another option you got is Shake Shack, Hold Tight Shake Shack. It's pretty tricky trying to get something under 1,000 calories, but I ended up going for two burgers. We have the Chicken Shack here, 590 calories, and a single hamburger, which was 400 calories, so it brings the grand total to 990 calories. So here we are, so Wagamama. To be honest with you, I wanted to get a curry, but every single curry pretty much was over 1,000 calories. I didn't want to get just one thing, so I got myself a little selection here. We have chicken gyoza, 230 calories. Miso soup, 35 calories. Hopefully it's a filling one. We have the beef and red onion bao bun, 332 calories. Duck lettuce wrap, 388, which brings the grand total to 985 calories. So the next one we've gone for is a Subway. Had to include a sandwich in the list. Now the way I've done this, I wanted a cookie so bad, but they're around 200 calories or more. I was like, nah, I want to get a foot long. What I've done is I've got two different 6 inches to mix it up and make it more interesting. So I went for the meatball, 6 inch, and I went for the chicken teriyaki. Good thing with Subway is this interactive macro calculator, so you can pretty much pre-make the sandwich you want to order, and it'll tell you exactly the calories which you're going to be consuming. So both of them together adds up to around 980 calories. Okay, so we're mixing it up, something sweet now. Pancakes, of course, had to come to IHOP. Good thing about IHOP is they also have an interactive menu where you can also just choose what you have and the calories, which is going to be in everything you eat. So it's going to be a little bit difficult one for me. I wanted to get an omelette and pancakes, but because I'm in Dubai, the menu here is a little bit restrictive. It's not an American menu, so I just went for the New York cheesecake pancakes, which comes out to 920 calories. The next one, a place called Tortilla, which is known for its burritos and tacos. I've got myself a large burrito, absolutely jam-packed to the max. They've also got a really cool calculator online where you can literally enter everything in, and it's like exactly the macros which you're having. In this big beast, it's a large wrap. We have Mexican rice, we've got pinto beans, chicken, guacamole, and some verde medium salsa. And that comes to a total of 990 calories. So we're here at Pizza Express. I've got myself a pizza, would you believe it or not? Got myself a classic American, which comes out to, look here, 978 calories. It's alright, to be honest. Would prefer a bigger one. In fact, I did consider getting a proper thin base pizza, which comes out at like 500 something calories and get dessert at the same time, but a pizza isn't really a pizza if it's on a paper thin dough base, you know what I mean? So this will have to do. And it's really hot. good one. It's a good one. Another option, if you're lucky enough to be located near a healthy little acai spot. I'm out here, Progetto Acai. I've got myself a poke bowl and an acai bowl. Now, kindly enough, I asked them to calculate the calories for me, and they are as follows. This is a small poke bowl called the surface salmon, 570 calories. And then the acai, which is medium size, 386. So that comes to a grand total of 956 calories. So they are all the meals. I'll tell you what, that was actually quite a difficult task to keep everything under 1,000 calories. It's safe to say when I go out and I have my cheat meals, I'm well over the 1,000 calorie mark. In fact, I'm probably more likely to be around the 2,000 calorie mark. And I think a lot of people, when they go out and eat cheat meals or whatever, even just eating out at a restaurant, they're probably consuming more than they actually think they're consuming. So, very interesting experiment. Just goes to show you have to keep an eye out what you're eating when you are eating out. And if you are really trying to keep on track and not overconsume, if you're cutting or even if you're bulking, try and go to those places where you can actually track the calories, and that way you can still go out, be flexible, but not mess up with your diet. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.